This is the end for all the Telegram tapping airdrop. Now, X Empire recently launched and most persons I saw their location made less than $2 from that airdrop. Hamster Combat, which was very popular, also launched and people made less than $10 from Hamster Combat after 6 months. Cat's airdrop was also horrible as people did not make a tangible amount of money from that airdrop. And this has been the case for most of this Telegram airdrop. The only Telegram airdrops that did very well so far is Notcoin and Dox airdrop. The rest of it has not done well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why I think this is the end for most of the Telegram tapping airdrop. Also, I'll talk about some of them that are yet to launch like Memefi, Blum and many other ones and tell you what I think about this airdrop. So if you want to find out all of these details, make sure to watch this video right now and subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So here are some of the reasons why I think this is the end of this Telegram airdrop. The first reason is people are actually losing interest in these Telegram airdrops. Now, because these airdrops have not been doing well recently, most persons have actually lost trust on them and they've actually stopped farming. Now, you know that the reason why Binance and some of these big exchanges listed Hamster Combat, Notcoin, Dox, and many other ones was basically because they had a lot of users. But right now, those users are actually adamant about using those platforms, and that way, this will actually deny them access from getting listed on major exchanges. Just other exchanges like Memefi, Gate.io, and the rest of them will be listing some of these coins. And this will deter the growth of these Telegram tapping airdrops. Now, the second reason why I think they're not going to do well is they're actually oversaturated. There was a time when we had about 20 popular Telegram tapping airdrops, but right now, we're not even hearing about most of them again. We still have other ones that are not really popular, and this has actually caused saturation. So you don't actually know the one that's going to do well, and most times you can't even phantom the one that is a scam or not. So this is a very big problem for these Telegram airdrops. And then the third reason why I think some of these airdrops are not going to do well is most of them are actually demanding a lot. Some will tell you that you need to deposit 1 ton and the rest of that. I found some where they're asking people to deposit $100 to start earning money. And this is looking like a Ponzi scheme right now. So you have to be very careful with some of these Telegram airdrops. They are out here to take your money from you, because imagine X Empire, people say they spent up to like $10 and they did not get up to $5 airdrop from X Empire. So what was the importance of spending $10 on that particular platform? It makes no sense at all. If you're spending your money and you're not getting back even your money first of all in return, don't move the airdrop. So what is the airdrop there for? So over to the upcoming Telegram airdrops and what I think about if the airdrop is going to do well. Let's start with Memefi. Now, Memefi for me is not going to do well because they've actually postponed their TGE for like 3 times so far, and this is a very bad sign when you're postponing your TGE like that. Now, you might be saying they only have 50 million users and they might not give every person this airdrop. Yes, it will still not do it because obviously the FDV of Memefi would probably be like $200 million or $100 million. And the airdrop is not going to even worth so much. Also, Memefi has been demanding for a lot of money from people. They actually ask people to deposit ETH and other cryptocurrencies like that to win a trip to Dubai and win Lamborghini and some of these cars like that, which really makes no sense because we don't even know if these rewards are actually true. They're just out here taking money from people regularly without any proof that this reward will be given out to people. Now, if you remember Notcoin and Dox airdrop vividly, you can recall that they did not ask any person for money, although there was a tax for you to make ton transaction on Dox airdrop, but it wasn't compulsory. And those persons that did not do those ton transactions still got a decent reward from Dox airdrop. But for Memefi, their focus is on those persons that are actually depositing money. And I'm very certain that even those persons that deposit their money are not going to get something reasonable from the airdrop. Over to the next one, which is Blum airdrop. Well, I actually made a dedicated video about Blum airdrop and why I think you should stop farming it right now. If you want to watch that video, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Now, this is the end of this video, but if you want to explore other ways to make money in crypto, because obviously Telegram tapping airdrop is not the only way to make money in crypto. You can start exploring spot trading, futures trading, DeFi, and many other ways you can make money in crypto. These are like more reliable ways to make money in crypto, but it's important you get the necessary knowledge before you start doing any of these things so that you don't lose money and end up calling cryptocurrency a scam. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to watch that video about Blum airdrop, then click here to watch now.